I think this is my cue to be jumping and screaming right now. So there was this seller from Instagram who did a little bit of a raffle when the lugaw, when the rice porridge shoe came out, and asked why the plants are essential. And to me, I just really want to answer that because plants had been a great driving force for positivity for me. So I love them. They're essential to me because they make me happy, and oh gosh, my mood had been lifted and I had been happier ever since I started taking care of plants. And today we received the gift from Urban Green, and we'll be tagging them down because this isn't the only box that I received from them after I won the raffle. After I won the raffle, I thought, why not? They have really nice plants, so let me order some. So I did order some, and I'm gonna try. I'm sorry if my hands are so shaky. I'm so excited to open. I'm gonna try my hands on taking care of an Echeveria Lola again, and this time please wish me luck that it's gonna thrive. And I don't know what was wrong the last time, but yeah, anyway, I'm so excited. All the pots are waiting for these, so let's go ahead and okay, I couldn't be happier right now. I was so shocked. They're all so big, and honestly, I haven't even really gotten big succulents, and I'm so excited to plant them. Let's see if I know how to name all of them, but I don't think I know. But I know that tonight I'll be busy, very busy repotting them, and tomorrow you'll probably see how they would look like in different pots. I am not sure what this one is called. It kind of looks like the blue chalk. Yeah, but I'll ask Urban Green what's the idea on that. Now this is where I am really shocked, and I have to hold this really carefully. This is the first time that I'm going to be caring for a cactus. So I'm really excited, and I have no idea what it's called, which cactus it is, but I am really happy because I never really thought that I would even be close to caring for a cactus. I'm just a little bit scared of them. I'm not very good with the Hautorias. I don't know why, but the zebras kept on dying. So let's see. And I hope that this one, because it's a lot bigger and it looks really sturdy, I hope it lives. And remind me to use gloves when I repot it. And then this one, I think this one is Millionaire, and I have this one right now, and it's potted in my very big mug. But another one would always be nice. And look at those roots. My gosh, they're screaming and they're really angry. This one I did not expect to see as a prize. If I'm not mistaken, this is the dugong, and it is so beautiful, and I haven't really bought one. It's really beautiful in person. I did not expect that it would be this pretty in person. I've never seen one in person, actually. That's why I don't really buy one, but oh my gosh, look at that. And what's the wonderful thing about the Millionaire and succulents like this one is you water them for the first time, they would usually open up and they would really look so pretty. Now, I thought I never had any luck with the jade, but this is the third jade that I have. I have a pretty, almost big one downstairs, but this one is super lush. Ooh, everything from Urban Green is really lush. And I can't wait to see my actual orders from them. And I think I'll be ordering more. I said that I'm not ordering so much more yet because I don't have space just yet. But look at that jade. Who wouldn't feel so lucky with that jade? It's really beautiful. Same thing with the other succulents. Once you pot them, they would usually look prettier and look better. I know that we're so filled with unboxings right now, but yeah, once I get my rhythm, we'll have more of the photography lessons. And look at this. I'm not sure, but is this the cristata? Oops, sorry, my nails are so dirty. Is this the cristata? It's so pretty. It's the first time that I have seen a crusted succulent this big in person. So I am just happy. Thank you so much, Urban Green. And I don't know which one was the free one, or yeah, because I know that there's just really 5 succulents for the price, but I'd always welcome more, and I'm so excited to plant them today. Yeah, I'm so excited to plant them today. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next unboxing, and thank you so much for spending your time with me.